Wow, it's a fall, long fall. That's the mountain we were on yesterday. Wow. It's pretty crazy. Wow. Look at that. Huge drop off down there too. It's crazy. Crazy. I'm gonna try and get a rock right there. Wow. I'm at the bottom of this huge rock.
Wait, how are you?
Yeah.
Joy Marie and Izzy, sit down.
This is cool. And then it goes up that way too. Wow. Quite the cliff there too. Quite the cliff. So right now we're going to go kart. Yeah. Hey, how was it? So we are now done go-karting. We're gonna go to the store and get some stuff, and then after this probably just have a fire and roast some marshmallows and just, yeah, do classic camping stuff. So also I won that last one. I lapped like everyone. No one passed me on that last round. Everyone, I lapped them. Like, it was crazy. So yeah, it was really fun. So catch you back at the campground.
Maybe we should just stick to canoeing here.
You're not even gonna ask them.
What's up? It's now the next day. Today we're probably just gonna go hiking somewhere, and then we have a challenge to do. Our challenge is we have to swim across the lake. It's a half-mile wide. We have to swim across and back, and it's gonna be really hard, so let's do it. Dog. Dog is pulling me. Look at that. I'm like the king of the world up here. Still not very high at all. And then the waterfall is over there. This deserves a cinematic, you know? What's up? It's the last day of this vlog. I'm gonna starting out right away. So what we're gonna be doing is, I said earlier in the vlog that we're gonna swim across the lake. And that's what we're doing right now. We're on the railroad side of the lake right now, which starts right here. Here, I'll show you right now. So we're here on the railroad side of the lake, and we're gonna swim all the way to that side and back, because it's exactly a half mile to the other side, and then we're gonna swim back. So it's exactly 1 mile. And yeah, it's something we've always wanted to do, so we're gonna do it today. It's gonna be pretty hard. So be sure to drop a like on this video, because I'm not swimming across the lake, well, I kind of am just swimming across the lake, But just like and subscribe, because I'm doing this for you guys mainly, so yeah.
Yep. Swim!
Almost there. Now we gotta go back.
Hold on, do it again.
We made it. Now we have to go all the way to the other back to the other side. So we just finished the mile swim. That was really far. We conquered it. The mile swim. So yeah. Now it's his turn to swim across. He's about halfway.
Wait, it's not bad.
Yeah. He's making better time than we did though, but that's expected. Halfway! He made it to this side. Now he has to go all the way back to that side where we started.
I'm hoping the wind's not as bad.
The wind's pretty bad, it's making us drift. Well, once again it's raining, so I guess I'm gonna sit in this van for a little while and take a nap, and hopefully it stops. Doesn't look like it's going to, but at least I can pass some time. I wanna leave. I like camping, I really do like camping. It's just anything longer than like 4 days, I just like, I wanna go home. Like, I miss my Wi-Fi, I miss my electricity, I miss actually having a house and staying dry. So I don't dislike camping, I just like having a house. And then the way that I figured out how these vlogs are gonna work. The first 3 days are gonna be one video. The next 3 days after that, which today is the last day of this video, will be the second video, and then the last video of Wisconsin will be Thursday, Friday. So tomorrow and then the day we leave will be one video. The 28th, I will be uploading the first video and editing the second video. The second video will be a scheduled upload when I'm on my mom's vacation. And yeah, that's how the vlogs are gonna work. And on my mom's vacation, I'm gonna be vlogging every day, hashing those videos out every day when I get back for you guys. So yes. So it stopped raining now. We're gonna go do a hike called like Rock Bridge or something like that. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. We looked it up on Google. It's only like 20 minutes away, so we're gonna go do that right now. Yeah, catch you when we're there. We found the natural bridge. I want to walk across it. Made it to the top of the bridge. That's the bridge right there. We were right down there. This is really creepy. It's like 100 feet up.
Okay. Yeah.
What's up? So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This one will be out. This video is gonna be the scheduled upload while I'm on my mom's vacation. Always mess that line up. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Snapchat, Instagram in that corner up here somewhere. Ding on the bottom. So yeah, go follow me on there, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.